So, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh to all of you. This is actually my very first video which I'm posting on this channel, and today's topic is about a topic that is slowly approaching us in Ramadan, and as you can guess, it's obviously about Laylatul Qadr and its blessing, why it is called Laylatul Qadr, and everything. So, let's get started. So, first of all, obviously, we have to get basic knowledge about Laylatul Qadr, and that's that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala named an entire chapter of the Quran Al Qadr, and it only talks about Laylatul Qadr, and it is the 97th chapter of the Quran Al Kareem. The whole theme of this chapter is only about its blessing, Laylatul Qadr. So let's go together the chapter. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in this first ayah, Inna anzalnahu fi Laylatul Qadr. Indeed, we send the Quran down during the night of decree. And we will come to what night of decree means. The second ayah is وَمَا أَدْرَاكَ مَا لَيْلَةُ الْقَدْرِ. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is making us curious by asking, and what can make you know what the night of decree is? The third ayah is Laylatul Qadri khayrun min alf shahr. The night of decree, Laylatul Qadr, is better than 1,000 months. This verse is really a key point and the key focus of this chapter. Then Allah says, تنزل الملائكة والروح فيها بإذن ربهم من كل أمر. The Malaika and Jibreel alayhim salam descend therein by permission of their Lord every matter. And then Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, سلام هي حتى مطلع الفجر. So now let's analyze this again. And what does it mean? First of all, we receive the information that this Quran was sent down to the Sama'ud Dunya as a whole on this specific night. Then Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala makes us curious and asks us, وَمَا أَدْرَاكَ مَا لَيْلَةُ الْقَدْرِ. And what do you know about the night of decree? And then he says, لَيْلَةُ الْقَدْرِ خَيْرٌ مِّنْ أَلْفِ شَهْرٍ. The night of decree is better than 1,000 whole months. Let that sink in. 1,000 months, which is equivalent to 83 years. Now there is a keyword which is Laylatul Qadr, night of decree. And what does it mean? It simply means that the ilm al-ghayb, which is only known by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, will be passed down to the malaika, and then the malaika will begin to work on that ilm al-ghayb. For example, an eruption of a volcano will occur, or something like a farm of a slave of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will grow much larger than it has grown in the previous years, and so on. So now you may ask yourself, how is this night better than 1,000 months, which is equivalent to 83 years? And what it simply means is that every act of good that you have done on this specific night, the Laylatul Qadr, it is gonna count as if you have done it full 83 years non-stop. Like for example, if you pray the whole night Qiyamul Layl, or if you read much portion of the Quran, or something like that, or give sadaqah, every act that you have done on this night will be counted as if you have done it full 1,000 months non-stop. It is really a blessing that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has given us this night, Laylatul Qadr. So when is this night? Only Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala knows, but we know that it is on the last 10 days of Ramadan, but more possibly it is on the 21st, 23rd, 25th, 27th and 29th of the last days of Ramadan. And the 27th night is the night which many scholars of Islam have said that it's more possibly on this night, 27th, that is Laylatul Qadr. So anyways, I hope that you found this video beneficial to you, and may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala make us among those who have benefited from this night, the Laylatul Qadr. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.